Upcoming cloud events.
Google Cloud's new hybrid cloud platform.
IBM announces new cloud integration platform.
ICONLOOP achieves AWS's advanced technology partner status.
A boost for international cloud offerings.
Baidu's earnings report is in. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Liftr Cloud Look Ahead, February 25th, 2019. Welcome to another edition of the Liftr Cloud Look Ahead on liftrcloud.com. We're your anchors, Corey Boland
and Stephanie Yard, here to guide you through some interesting changes in the cloud and what to expect from Cloud Insights. Let's jump on in. Key Banc's Emerging Technology Summit will be held this week from February 26th through 27th. Liftr Cloud Principal Analyst Paul Teich will be participating in emerging technology discussions at Key Banc's 14th annual event. Teich will also be attending the Open Compute Project Global Summit San Jose, coming up in a few weeks on March 14th through 15th. Teich will also be attending the Open Compute Project Global Summit San Jose, coming up in a few weeks on March 14th through 15th. Teich will be meeting with most of the global CSP data center infrastructure supply chain. Contact Analyst at liftrcloud.com to schedule a meeting with Teich during these events.
South by Southwest is right around the corner. South by Southwest Interactive will be held from March 8th through the 13th here in Austin, Texas. Paul Teich will be there along with social media and PR specialist Trent Warren. If you'd like to meet with Paul and Trent on site, please contact public relations at liftrcloud.com to schedule a meeting.
Google Cloud announced last Tuesday that it is releasing a beta of its hybrid cloud platform to its customers, the beginning steps for a strategy that is over 2 years in the works. The cloud services platform, which Google first introduced to the table last year, allows customers to build, run, and manage their computing infrastructure in such a hybrid environment. The CSP follows the same cost model as Google Kubernetes Engine.
New customers using the cloud services platform to run software and services that run across their own data centers and Google Cloud itself. Google Cloud's hybrid offering is software-based and built on top of Kubernetes and ISTIO. Since it's a hardware package, customers simply need to buy and download the product. Amazon announced their similar venture, AWS Outpost, last November, which will be generally available to customers in the latter half of this year.
A.L. Maynor, Vice President of Google Cloud, says that Amazon's move into hybrid cloud did not influence them in anything and has already been in the works. Maynor believes the hybrid cloud will be here to stay for the next 5 to 10 years.
In a move that counters their hybrid cloud strategy, Google announced its intention to acquire Illuma, a company that allows enterprises to combine all their data sources into services like Google's BigQuery, Snowflake, Amazon's Redshift, and Azure. The company also helps with migrating to the cloud, cleaning up data, and then using it for AI and machine learning use cases.
Going forward, Illuma will not accept any new customers who want to migrate data to any competition. Those who use Illuma in combination with AWS, Azure, and other non-Google services will likely start looking for other solutions soon, as this also means Google isn't likely to develop support for them beyond its current state. Illuma and Google did not disclose the price of the acquisition.
At IBM Think 2019 conference, IBM announced that its Watson AI platform would run on several major cloud providers' infrastructure as well as on-premises enterprise environments. That headline greatly overshadowed the other announcement by IBM, which stated the company was also rolling out the new IBM Cloud Integration Platform, thus throwing its hat into an increasingly crowded hybrid integration platform market.
The interesting and confusing thing is that hybrid doesn't mean what it usually does here. Hybrid integration refers to the multiple technologies within the platform. This new platform contains Apache Kafka for event streaming, IBM Aspera for high-speed data transfer, Kubernetes for orchestration of containers for microservices, and the venerable IBM MQ, which dates from 1993.
Not wanting to fall short of IBM, Oracle tried to drum up attention for the cloud service partner, Wipro, by announcing the quick migration to cloud platform that will help customers drive a more direct journey to Oracle Cloud. Wipro and Oracle aim to simplify and accelerate the journey to Oracle Cloud for their customers.
According to Ravi Purohit, Vice President and Global Head, Oracle Service Line, Modern Application Services, Wipro Limited, quote, Wipro's QMic demonstrates our expertise with Oracle Cloud and is an example of our continued investments in Oracle Cloud development. Extending the use of Wipro's Cloud Studio, QMic complements the Oracle Cloud and will help customers significantly simplify, accelerate, and improve the time to value from their cloud implementations.
ICONLOOP has achieved advanced technology partner status in the AWS Partner Network. It has achieved this status in recognition of its high performance in establishing a blockchain network, providing a stable service, and suggesting new ways to adopt blockchain technology across different industries. ICONLOOP has provided the Icon Development Network in the AWS Marketplace, allowing developers to run the Icon blockchain network through the AWS Cloud. The network enables developers to easily develop, test, and validate their products utilizing all of the functions that the Icon platform has provided.
By achieving advanced status, ICONLOOP is going to be eligible for preferred access to business opportunities, an AWS written case study, and joint AWS customer-facing webinars. ICONLOOP will also continue working to increase the convenience of the development environment, something that is essential to the success of ICON. Additionally, it will continue to collaborate with AWS to find promising decentralized applications, DApps, in diverse industries.
AWS is continuing to bolster its technology lead by using blockchain from Icon World and focusing on table design with Redshift. The cloud provider is adding to the already impressive scale of the AWS offering.
Internationally, public cloud offerings saw a boost as OVH unveiled its public cloud for Australia and Huawei introduced the Huawei Cloud for Singapore. Huawei Cloud is also scheduled to build its AI capabilities in Singapore, which will serve startups and major industries in the Asia Pacific. Huawei plans to extend 24/7 technical support and service assurance to Huawei Cloud's customers in the government, internet, and the financial industry, as well as large local enterprises, after approvals under Singapore's data security certification process.
OVH, the French cloud infrastructure provider, brought its public cloud to Australia and Singapore. OVH bills the services as offering, quote, on-demand cloud servers for all your web projects and says it's based on OpenStack. The new offering runs in a Sydney Equinix data center in Sydney and a Telstra data center in Singapore. Chief Executive of OVH, Michael Pollan, said, quote, by adding public cloud regions in APAC, we commit to develop in this region of the world and aim to support the local cloud users' growth. Pollan also added that the expansion was aligned with its multi-local strategy by bringing its service closer to local end users. We have a late week earnings report for you. Chinese internet company Baidu's cloud business's fourth quarter revenue doubled year over year, reaching 1.1 billion yuan in revenue, about $160 million. Robin Li, co-founder, chairman, and chief executive officer, stated, quote, Baidu Cloud has seen strong growth in both revenue and customer base and is expanding AI solutions across different industry verticals such as telecom, manufacturing, and financial services and transportation. And that's a wrap for this week's Liftr Cloud Look Ahead. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@liftrcloud.com. See you next week. And this is my farewell episode to the Liftr team. It's been a great ride in the cloud, and thanks for watching for the last year and a half. Be sure to look out for Stephanie and Kelsey next week as they'll be filling in for me. Thanks again. Not warm enough. Thanks for watching for the last year and a half. Thank you all so much. See you next time. Stay tuned next week for Thanks again.